the package came. We're going to be unboxing this Poco M3 Pro and the thing Nokia 3310. So let's do it. So we need to get this away. Let's open this up. Let's get the box out of the way. Poco. Let's get this out. Whoa. Poco. These are the stickers. These are the instruction manuals. The warranty code. There's so much. And this is the case. And here is oh my god, I can't. This is the Poco M3 Pro 5G. Just get the seal off. Yes, looks good. Now let's okay. So let's boot this on. Let's boot this. Poco, powered by Android, and in here there is a USB. That's for the Poco M3, Poco 5G, and this is for the, I don't know what it's called. This adapter is for this, so maybe this is the adapter. It's one of the things. This thing has this. So maybe okay. And then the USB, that's for the Poco M3 Pro, and has a screen protector already installed. And then let's put the seal back. Okay, let's put on the seal, and you need to just do this and do this, and now we're done with this now. Oh, it's still sticky, it's not still. Maybe I did it wrong. No, I did it right. So let's put it right here, and then put in the instruction manuals. Okay, here's this one now. Let's put in the Poco stickers. Just put them here and do this and close this off. Close this thing, and after that let's put this white here, and then put this white here, and put this here, and then let's cover up here. Let's cover up this, and now we're done with this. Now let's put it right here. I'm going to put it right over here, and then the other one is the Nokia 3310. So let's unbox it. Wow. Good. Let's get it out. Whoa. And then the battery's already installed. Okay, so let's boot this up. Heard that little vibration. Welcome. You missed that sound, right? Okay. Multimedia. Camera. Yes. Let's delete the options. Delete. Okay, let's do delete. why does it keep doing that? How is it? Okay, let's do this. Okay, options, no options. Delete. Okay. Okay, I deleted it, so now let's, okay, insert SIM, messaging, internet, voice, messaging, multimedia, video recorder. Memory card needs to be installed. This Nokia 3310 has the battery already installed, so I need to just power it off. And that, you can hear that powering off. It's so loud. So let's, and here is the charger itself. This is for Nokia, and then also let's put it back in here, and then, oh yeah, I did it properly. Let's put it right here and here and here. Okay, so, oh, I did it wrong. Okay, so let's put this back here and let's put it here. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.